At the very top of the page, you will find there is Dashboard, Catalog, and your personal profile. So let's click Dashboard. Dashboard is the private space of every Dropsmith user, so it's different for everybody. At the top, you have some new information, current information on Dropsmith that might be useful for you, new arrivals to keep you posted. But at the bottom, you'll find My Collection. Here is the collection of your blends as well as your comparisons. So these are the ones we created. We created the Sleep blend as well as the Eucalyptus comparison. Here I can access it. So it's a quick access to my comparisons if I want to show something in class, or if you're selling these oils, whatever it is that you're using it for. You just click on it and then you have your saved blend. But let's go back. Or I can delete it if it's something that I don't need anymore. So I will not use this anymore. I will delete it. Yes, I will remove. In my blends, as you see, I have quite many, so I can view again more items. Again, I can sort them by new arrivals, like the latest ones I created, or by name. So we will look at the latest ones because we created this beautiful blend for sleep. I can make it public. If I click here, it will be public and you can then see it on in the catalog, everybody, but we'll make it private. I can delete it, I can edit it, or duplicate. If I click edit, it will then show me all the things and the possibilities, the pop-up window, the same as when you create the blend. So you can change numbers or add new oils, whatever it is that you want to do. But I will cancel this function for today. Another thing I love to use is to duplicate, because that's how I keep track of all my blends. So if I duplicate this one, I can call it Sleep number 2. And this is great if you are having clients and you want to keep track of all the blends that you're creating for somebody. So you would write, for example, Melanie Sleep number 2, and then the date or whatever it is that helps you keep up with the blends you're creating. Now that I created a new version, I might want to change something. So I will duplicate it and then I will change a little bit. Okay, this was a bit too fresh, so I will not use as much orange. I might want to come back and use the ylang ylang. That I decided not to use. And then I will add 2 drops of it and save the blend to see if it's a little bit different this time. So this is how you can use the dashboard, and it is your private space. It is different for everybody. I hope this video is useful and that you will enjoy this tool I've created for you. Thank you for watching.